Welcome to Boracay Island, the White Sands. Nasa station 3 po kami na area nito at kasama ko po yung kapatid ko. 5 PM na po kami nang dumating nito from Antique. Nag-travel po kami from Antique to Calibo para lang wala. I'm just enjoying the vacation kasi few days lang po yung vacation ko, so I just cherish my time to explore the Philippines and the island. I mean the nearby provinces and island beaches, white sands in the Philippines. So here I am. Hindi ko pinalampas yung Boracay syempre. So Boracay, it's like kapitbahay lang po ng Antique or Antique province. So I just concur. I concur the travel time para lang mapuntahan yung Boracay. So I paid po pala for the entrance fee or terminal fee is 150 pesos at yung environmental fee is 150 pesos at yung 50 pesos na sa pamboat. Pinagawa ko pala yung buhok ko, pina-hair braids ko, so I just paid it for 300 pesos one-sided. But some of the design or whatever do you want to prefer, just tell someone, just let someone know kung ano yung design na ipapagawa mo. Then, so far as I know, yung one lace, kapag lahat yung buhok mong ipapagawa mo, 50 pesos yung additional payment. Tapos, you can choose any color lace do you want or you prefer to put on your hair. After po namin nagpagawa ng buhok ko, so naglakad-lakad na lang po ulit kami. Bumalik kami sa beach area, sa gilid, sa dagat para manood ng sunset ulit. It's 6 na, 6. It's 6:30. Nagawa kayo. Okay, parang blurred. Boracay Island. Hapon na kami dumating dito ng mga 5. Tapos, buti na nabutan namin yung sunset. Then, we decided po ulit na bumalik doon sa may mga store area, sa mga souvenir area, para maghanap po ng mabibili or like to my remembrance. Since na pumunta ako ng Boracay, just checking also some of the souvenir na I can get to have a remembrance in Boracay. So, ang dami po nilang souvenir. May mga bag, t-shirt. When I check po yung t-shirt nila, so far po, pure cotton. Yung tela, it's a good quality. But, you can check with your own if you're gonna check yung with your own travel, with your own experience po na mag-travel kayo ng Boracay. So, I guess you have your own perspective. So maybe it's different from mine. Well, guys, mas maganda pa yata yung kapatid ko sa akin. Anyway. And we found this, guys, yung mga activities na nandito sa Boracay. So they have a jet ski, scuba diving, paddleboard, crystal kayak, banana boat, and helmet diving, so sailing boat, as in madami po. May highland hopping din sila. I guess maybe you need to plan ahead your timing, your activity timing, para nyo ma-occupy yung lahat ng activities na to. So we're just checking the price also for this all, and this is all of the prices, guys, of all of the activities and some transport. So, check and budget your activities, guys. And this is the e-trike, the land transport and public transport of the Boracay. We're at the station 3 po at maglalakad po kami papunta hanggang station 2. So, we just walk through along from the station 3 to station 2. And this is the nightlife of the Boracay. Well, expected na guys na madami yung tao sa may Boracay kasi it's like a popular Boracay is a popular beach in the Philippines, one of the top tourists in the Philippines, and the white sands, that is yung sikat. Yan. May nadaanan po kaming mga resto bar, tapos may mga happy hour sila. So, yeah. I think some of variety food that you are prepared to eat, maybe you need to walk. I mean, you can find here. So, nadaanan din po namin yung Joe's Restaurant, bar and lounge. So this is all Filipino, guys, all Filipino food and dessert. If you have a date here, guys, I guess this is a parang perfect moment, perfect place para sa mga romantic. Ako lang yung wala. It doesn't matter, I'm happy. But for real po, this is a perfect place if you just want to walk with your partner. To my own views lang po. For me, just only for me. But it's different views for you. Sa paglalakad po namin, umabot na po kami ng station 2. May nakita din po kami mga buffet. So they have a happy hours din po. Nasa labas na po kami nito na beach area. So, we're going to the highway na area kasi we're gonna find something to eat na dessert. Insert ko lang po pala yung hotel. So, I don't have idea some of the hotel here from the booking per night. I mean, for the reservation of the hotel. So, I don't have idea, guys, because we only staying at my cousin's boarding house, so we did not pay any of the hotel in Boracay. So we just saved some extra money for the hotel. Nag-stop po muna kami dito sa may mini stop na to at nag-order na rin po kami ng avocado na dessert. It's my favorite avocado. Pure po siyang avocado yung nilagay, but it's look like a creamy na ice cream with toppings na may graham. So, yeah, it's nice. So, nasa highway na po kami. So, we just gonna look for the e-trike na sasakyan namin pa uwi. We're gonna go home now kasi medyo late na po. It's already 10 plus. And the next morning, it's already morning na po to. Nung naglalakad ako, it's 7 a.m. papuntang beach area. Tapos we just looking for a crystal kayak kasi I just wanna experience the kayak po na sumakay. Wala, pictorial lang ba? Okay. So we found po the kayak. Siya po yung nahanap namin, si Kuya. So I don't know his name. Hindi ko po kinuha yung pangalan yun. So siya din po yung kumuha ng picture niya sa akin. So, he's be the one is taking me a photo. Yung pictorial ko po na nasa kayak ako. So, my photos was been posted to my Instagram account po. If you can just check kung ano man po yung result ng pictorial ko. After ko po na magkayak, kasi ayaw ng kapatid ko na magkayak, hindi siya nagbihis. So, he doesn't want to get wet. We will going to walk po from the station 3 na naglalakad kami nito, station 3 to station 1. Mga 12 noon po kasi kailangan pa namin umuwi na magta-travel pa kami ulit from Boracay to Antique. So we just have more than 4 hours na travel ulit. So we need to go home before yeah, before at 12 or 1 na makaalis ng Boracay. So we just gonna explore all of the Boracay beach area, or I mean yung some areas na kailangan kong ma-reach lang, wala, para lang makita. Ganito ako ka-hyper. At we already reached at the Grotto Beach area. Ito po yung itsura ng Grotto Beach, yung parang meron po siyang Virgin Mary. Guys, so umakyat lang po kami ng konti dun sa taas para makita ko yung tsura ng nasa taas. So we just walk through the staircase, guys. Pero guys, madami yung tao. I don't like to makipagsiksikan ba, kasi ayokong medyo mahaba yung pila, kasi kailangan ng queue. I mean, there's a queue here. So first come first serve, first come for taking a picture and it's your turn. So ayaw kong makipagsiksikan. So anyway, I just only check the view here. Pero so far, guys, maganda din dito. It's really nice. It's really cool. It's amazing view. So after po namin din sa Grotto Beach area na po, naglakad na lang kami ulit. So we're going to walk through again along the beach area, kasi pupunta po kami dun sa station 1, sa dulo-dulo talaga ng beach area, yung sa penthouse ni Manny Pacquiao. I've noticed also, guys, yung sands ng station 3, it's quite rough. Tapos yung sa station 1 na sands is really fine, as in kung i-compare mo, if mafe-feel mo kasi yung buhangin kapag ka naglalakad ka. Sa station 3 na nanggaling kami, medyo rough, and kapag naglakad kami sa station 1 na umabot na kami sa station 1, so it's really fine.
Station 1, medyo mas maganda dito yung sand kasi sobrang fine. Sa may cave na yun.
So we're already here at the Kayak Beach area. Nasa dulo na kami nito, station 1. Well, guys, I will definitely gonna come back in Boracay in the future. That is in my list again in the future to travel. I promise. It's really good place, amazing the scenery. Yung 1 night and half day na sa Boracay kami is not enough to explore all of the beach area, guys. But anyway, I really enjoy actually and having fun. Then, may nakita po kami ditong nagbebenta ng mga souvenir na bracelet at mga necklace na gawa sa stone at yung mga shells. Well, guys, yung water dito is really clear. Different from the station 3 na nakita nyo yung mga green na algae dun sa station 3. It's really big different here. It's really nice here and it's really clear the water, and yes, it's really beautiful here actually. Kaya kung masasabing babalik talaga ako sa Boracay, as in, I will definitely come back in Boracay. We just stay here for a bit ng kapatid ko po. Dito muna kami nung tumambay at wala, nag-explore ng konti dito kasi yung tubig po dito is really cool. Tapos sobrang linis. It's really different from the Station 3 na water. Tapos kasi makikita mo naman yung sa una ko pong video. Tapos yung dito, it's really, really clear na walang lumot. After ko pong magtampisaw sa may dagat, well, pumunta muna po kami dun sa may kabilang cave na K-hole na to. So, sa kabila po na cave is a Diniwid Beach area. So, next lang po yan ng K-hole na beach. So, we just walk through from the side. And we found the penthouse of Manny Pacquiao. Nandito na po yun sa pinakadulo din. So, this is amazing place also, guys. Masasabi kong i-rate ko yung sa may K-hole na beach na area, it's 10. From K-hole beach po, lumusot po kami sa may K-hole na beach to Diniwid Beach area. So, nandito na po kami sa Diniwid area na beach. So, we're just gonna walk again through at the edge. Tapos makikita niyo po yung penthouse. Penthouse po yun ni Manny Pacquiao at lalakarin po namin yun dun hanggang sa dulo.
Yan ang Boracay. Daw yung Manny Pacquiao, but it's already closed.
So, after po namin na maglakad-lakad sa pinakadulo, so bumalik na din po kami at dinaanan din namin po ulit yung same na route na dinaanan namin kanina sa K-hole Beach. So, dito po ulit kami tumambay kasi parang ayaw kong umalis dito sa ganda ng tubig. I mean, sa ganda ng view dito. At as in yung tubig po. And this is my favorite na beach area ng Boracay. So far, hindi ko naman po talaga na ikot yung Boracay kasi we don't have much time na ikutin kasi we just only, as I said, we just only have a 1 night and half day. So, hindi kaya na ng powers, hindi na kaya ng time. So, this is my favorite beach part na sa may Boracay, guys, so far. Then, may nakita po akong crab. Wala, may kaaway po ako. Sinisipa ko siya tinatampakan ko siya ng buhangin. Wala lang, I just want to play with the crab. we will going home na po. So, kailangan po namin bumalik na sa station 3. So, before that po, kailangan po namin muna puntahan yung cousin namin para magpaalam na uuwi na kami. Tapos, kukunin po namin yung gamit namin sa boarding house niya. Magpapak, then magbibihis na din po before kami umalis. Wala na po kami dito sa may beach area. Bali na sa may labas na po kami nito, and we're heading out na po to the highway.
Palabas na kami ng beach. Tapos sa may highway na kami na sa road.
So, we're here at the highway po. At this side po is a lake town na area.
Baba na lang kami ng beach. Magpapalit kami babalik ng boarding house ng pinsan ko. Tapos pagpapak kami, uuwi na din. Okay na ako sa kulay ko. Umitim na din na ako.
Well, nasa e-trek na po kami dito, sumasakay. So, we're heading now to my cousin's place sa boarding house niya para makuha yung gamit namin at magbibihis na din. And then, we're ready. Change our clothes at hindi ko po tinanggal yung hair braids ko kasi binayaran ko yung 300 pesos. Approximately po na pasahero or passenger ng e-trike is 8 to 10 passenger. Well, pinagawa din po pala ng kapatid ko yung buhok niya ng hair braid, so same din po yung binayaran niya is 300 pesos. Heading po to terminal ng pamboat, so kukuha pa po kami ng ticket namin. And here we are at the pamboat. So guys, I just paid again for the terminal fee for 150 pesos and 50 pesos for the pamboat. So we're leaving now in the Boracay Island. So it's a great experience guys, na kahit saglit na panahon lang yung na-explore ko, I enjoy yung vacation ko at least. Until I see you again, Boracay. So, nadaanan po naman yung airport. The nearest airport po din ng Boracay, it's Katiklan Airport. And so on guys, hoping the details that I just mentioned, it's gonna be helpful to you in the future when you're gonna travel in Boracay. That's all guys, and thank you for watching.